There's a truth about human behavior that most people never fully grasp. What someone genuinely wants is rarely spelled out in plain words. More often, it lives in a quiet code, a language made up of glances, small gestures, shifts in tone, and the energy someone carries into a room. Curious. When it comes to real human connection, this unspoken language becomes even more powerful. Today, we're going to decode the subtle signals that reveal when a woman is quietly longing for something deeper with you. These signs aren't random noise. They're grounded in psychology, emotion, and genuine attraction. Excited. And once you learn to recognize them, you'll never experience an interaction the same way again. Let's break down 7 powerful signs she wants more than just friendship. Sign 1. Her eyes say it before she does. We've all heard that the eyes are windows to the soul. In attraction, they're the very first door that swings open. A polite glance here and there is completely normal. But when her eyes linger on yours, when they keep finding their way back to you, or when they drift briefly to your lips before locking back onto your gaze, curious. That's not coincidence. That's subconscious attraction revealing itself. Her mind may not be putting it into words yet, but her eyes are giving her away completely. Sign 2. She invents reasons to make contact. Touch is one of the oldest forms of human communication in existence. It creates closeness, comfort, and a sense of warmth between people. Curious. When a woman is drawn to you, she tends to seek out small, casual moments of contact, touching your arm while she's laughing, brushing past you in a way that didn't quite need to happen, straightening something on your sleeve. These aren't throwaway gestures. Thoughtful psychology consistently shows that small, frequent touches are rooted in attraction. They're her way of slowly testing the boundary between you and quietly inviting you into her personal space. Sign 3. Her body opens up around you. The body simply doesn't lie. Attraction has a way of physically softening someone's posture. You might notice her leaning in your direction, sitting with open arms rather than crossed ones, or angling her legs toward you. She might tuck her hair back to expose her neck or tilt her head slightly while you're speaking. Curious. These small but consistent physical cues are the body communicating something the mouth hasn't said yet. I feel safe with you, and I want to get closer. Excited. Open body language is one of the clearest silent invitations you will ever encounter. Sign 4. Her voice changes when she's talking to you. Most people completely underestimate how much a person's voice shifts around someone they're genuinely attracted to. When she speaks with you, her tone might soften, grow warmer, or drop into something slightly more intimate. Curious. You might notice a playful teasing quality creeping into her words, or the two of you developing inside references that belong only to you. Her voice becomes an instrument of closeness, carrying warmth and emotion she doesn't share with just anyone. Sighs. It's her way of quietly building a private world between the two of you where something real can grow. Sign 5. Her compliments go beneath the surface. A surface-level compliment like, "You look nice today," is just politeness. But when she's acknowledging your character, your resilience, the specific way your humor works, or how you handle pressure, that's something else entirely. Thoughtful. Compliments that speak to who you actually are rather than how you appear reveal genuine admiration. They also require vulnerability, because noticing and voicing those kinds of details means she's been paying close attention. Sighs. That's her way of saying, I don't just see you, I actually feel you. Sign 6. She creates opportunities to be alone with you. Attraction grows in intimacy, not in crowds. If she keeps finding ways to separate the two of you, suggesting a walk, steering you away from a group at a party, sliding into your DMs after a group conversation, that's deliberate. Curious. It means she wants to strip away the distractions and build something personal with you specifically. The desire for those private moments isn't about being secretive. Thoughtful. It's about carving out a space where genuine connection can actually breathe and take shape. Sign 7. Her whole energy shifts when you're nearby. One of the most powerful signs of attraction is deeply biological. When a woman is drawn to you, her body reacts in ways she can't entirely control. Her cheeks might flush when you say something kind. Her laugh becomes louder, more animated, curious. She starts fidgeting with her hair or her jewelry without even realizing it. That blend of nervous energy and heightened excitement isn't discomfort. Exhales. It's chemistry. Her body is communicating. You make me feel something alive, and I can't quite contain it. But here's the truth that ties all of this together. None of these signals should be read on their own. Real understanding comes from recognizing patterns. Thoughtful. When several of these signs show up consistently over time, that's when you know something genuine is happening beneath the surface. Curious. These signals are like breadcrumbs left behind for the people who know how to look. And yet, understanding them carries real responsibility. The point isn't to exploit what you notice, it's to receive it with emotional intelligence, genuine kindness, and respect. Thoughtful. The strongest men aren't the ones who manipulate attraction. They're the ones who honor it, nurture it, and build on it with integrity. Real connection is never a game. Sincere. It's two people choosing to build something grounded in mutual respect and genuine desire. When you recognize these signs, the most powerful response you can offer is awareness, meeting her openness with your own confidence and honesty. Because when everything is said and done, the unspoken language of attraction isn't built on tricks. It's built on truth. Thoughtful, her eyes, her body, her voice, her compliments, they're all pieces of a larger story. A story she may not be telling you directly, but one she quietly hopes you're paying attention to. So the next time you notice these patterns, don't brush past them. Pay attention, lean into the connection, and remember, thoughtful. The greatest relationships don't start with a perfectly crafted line. They start with silence, with signals, with an energy between two people that simply cannot be manufactured. Thank you for taking the time to understand this hidden language. If this resonated with you, show some love by liking the video and sharing it with someone who could use these insights. Drop a comment below. I'd genuinely love to hear what you think. For more content on psychology, attraction, and building real relationships, make sure you're subscribed to. And if this felt valuable, use YouTube's hype feature to help spread it further. Your support helps us reach more people with the kind of knowledge that leads to healthier, stronger, more meaningful connections. Thoughtful. Because attraction was never about surface-level games. It's about understanding. And when you can read the silent signals, you hold the key to something deeper, more authentic, and built to actually last.